You know if there's heat, let you know if you're selling to a narc or a snitch, or bust people and sell you their shit.
We all about weight, too. Look at that shit. That's sexy right there. That's better than pussy. That's better than money. That ain't no Mexican tar neither. That's that worldwide war on terror dope, nigga. Pure Afghan, homie.
Blood. You know this cat. It's the same motherfucker that was in the market the day we pushed Washington's wig back.
Hell yeah. That was you, right?
Come on, man. Come on, man. Y'all just chill out, man. All right, I see where this going, all right? Everybody just be cool, man. We got all these drugs here. Let's just get high. I'm gonna pour me some of this.
Shut your fat ass up. That's what you here for, dog. You here to get some give back for that sorry ass nigga, Detective Ludlow?
No, you guys did me a favor. So you know who I am. And I know who you're not. If you're not Fremont and Coates, then who the hell are you?
Who are we? Detective. We straight nightmare. We a walking, talking, exigent circumstance.
No, wait. I know these guys. Over with, detective. I'm gonna do your bitch ass like my nigga did your partner.
Hold on, this can hang on.
What the fuck is you doing? Nigga, pick that gun up and blast that motherfucker.
Think me, dog.
Next one in your dome, nigga.
Winston, don't do it.
Winston? Winston, what the fuck is that? That's your same name, nigga? Do it, nigga. Man, kill that white boy. You white man, kill that white boy. Okay, man. Fuck this nigga.